My question is to the Minister of Energy. Minister, across Northern Ontario, people are hopping mad in regards to what they're going to see their hydro bills increase by with the announcement you made on Monday in your long-term energy plan. It is not good news for citizens to hear that their hydro rates over the next 3 years are going to go up by 33%, and we're getting a lot of response. I've got this particular person, Andrea Heward from North Bay, who writes, "I am a homeowner. I work full-time and I'm disabled. Electricity is very important in my day-to-day living. I have an electric wheelchair that has to be plugged in on a daily and nightly basis so I can go out to work the next day without having to worry about the battery. I'm paying $3,600 a year in hydro minimum, and I only make $32,000 a year, which means I'm paying more than 10% of my annual household income in hydro. She can't afford to pay her hydro bill, Minister, and you're raising the rates. How do you see that as being fair to Mrs. Heward in North Bay?"
Minister of Energy.
As I said earlier, Mr. Speaker, we have made very significant investments in the system in order that it be reliable and it be clean, and that put pressure on rates. As a result of that pressure, we took some transitional steps, Mr. Speaker. That includes the Ontario Clean Energy Benefit, which takes 10% off the bottom line on the bill. The Ontario Energy and Property Tax Credit saves qualifying individuals up to $963 per year, probably applies to that person, with a maximum of $1,097 per year for qualifying seniors. Yes. The Northern Ontario Energy Credit saves families up to $210 per year and individuals up to $137 per year. In addition, we have the Low-Income Energy Assistance Program and the Save on Energy Home Assistance Program. These are cumulative, Mr. Speaker. That particular electricity consumer can access all of these programs, and I assume it will be applied. Most of them will apply.
We'll help her if she needs supplementary.
Well, Minister, I think this consumer knows very well how to apply, and that's including that she's having to pay her hydro bill. I have another email here from Donald Bates from Thunder Bay, who says, "I've been living at my current address in Thunder Bay, Ontario for the past 10 years. I have over the past 10 years purchased new appliances, all of which are energy efficient. I have installed energy-efficient lights. Each year, my energy consumption has been going down. However, for years now, I've been preached by government to conserve, yet the more I conserve, the more I pay." So I say to you again, Minister, people across the north are hopping mad that no matter what they do, no matter how they try to prepare themselves, no matter how much they try to conserve, their hydro rates have gone up, and now they're going to go up